Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited. So you remember last week when I said I bought the new Trixie cosmetics collection and I was hoping that it would get here on time to review it? Well, it got here in one day, like overnight. I ordered it Friday morning at 10 a.m. and it was on my porch by 10 a.m. the next day, and I could not believe it. I was so lucky. I was able to get one of these PR boxes. I know they went super fast, so I'm going to show you guys what I got, and then a little later into the video I'm going to show you how I made this look right here. It was inspired by Trixie's look for the cover of the Bottle Blonde collection. It's not like an exact replica, obviously. I just kind of used the same colors. I watched her tutorial and kind of like tweaked the Trixie look. So hope you guys like it. Let's get into this box because I know that's what everybody wants to see. I am dying. Okay, so here it is, you guys. It's so pretty. It's like this beautiful fancy feeling material. I don't know what you would call this. They both look stunning. James did both of these wigs that they're wearing. It's just, it's unreal. I'm obsessed. And so then, I don't know how I'm gonna, it opens like this. And that's it. Everybody got a Polaroid. I don't know if you can see. I'll show you the Polaroid I got. It's really cute. It's like them on the couch. Businesswoman Tracey looks like she's on her cell phone. Relatable content. I think that's a really sweet idea to give everybody a personalized Polaroid. It just makes it like more special. And oh, I'm wearing the sweatshirt and the scrunchie also that came out on Friday because I'm psychotic and I buy everything. So in this box you get the whole collection, the glosses, the palette, and the mirror, and these, you know how they always do these cute accessory packs. So I'm obsessed. It has a cute little pin and stickers and patches. I put all my pins on my Barbie denim jacket, so I'll have to add this one. It's a little hair dryer. It's so cute. Here is the girl of the hour. It's her moment. This is the palette. It's really big. It's like the whole, like my whole head, which is super nice. It's very nice feeling. It's like a little raised here. Super cute packaging as always. And then it has how much is with it in the back, like how much you get of each shadow. As always, everything is vegan, cruelty free, which we love. So let's look at the colors. You guys, look at that. I'm wearing the two purple shades today. This one, the white one, and a little bit of this on my lower lash line. They blend beautifully. I wore the hot pink shade alone when I went to Disneyland this last week, and I'm not joking, I got, I think, at least 5 compliments on it, which is, it doesn't sound like a lot, but it is when you're like in a public place, you know? It just was really nice. People were like, your makeup looks amazing, and it was just one eyeshadow color. That's how good it is. The pigment was beautiful. It was like such a bright pink. I'm obsessed. This purple is like giving me life right now. I love it. Like I said, I tried to follow what Trixie did for her cover, so hopefully I did it some justice. No, it's not perfect, but we try our best. So that's the eyeshadows. Let's get into the glosses. My air just turned on. Not me just realizing the names are on the box. So you get 4 glosses, like I said. The one I'm wearing right now is the shade High Ponytail. It's like this beautiful nude color that has a gold reflect, and it's not. I thought it was gonna be more like chunky gold, but it's not. It's so beautiful. I don't know why I doubted them. That's on me. This is insane. This is a shade I'm Baby. It is so freaking cool and metallic looking. I'm really excited to do this. I want to do it with like a neon eye. I feel like that'd be really funky and like alien looking. I don't know. And then we have a more like natural shade in Press On. This is just a nice nude pink. Kind of reminds me of a more like muted of their Pink Slip, which was more of a hot pink. This is definitely more of a nude pink. Really nice, really wearable, pigmented, like all their glosses always are. And then our last one is Hater. I think I'm most excited about this. I don't know why, I just really vibe with like a brown lip, like that cherry chip shade that they just came out with. I'm still thinking about it. I would wear it every day if I could. I just love dark nude shades. I think on my pasty face, like it pops and it's different and fun. So those are all the glosses. Let me show you the cute mirror. It did come in a box, but like I already opened it and used it. But this is the mirror, you guys. It's so freaking cute. It's a heart and it has a little hole if you want to hang it up. It's amazing. I used it today to get ready. I needed my other mirror for like 2 seconds to get like a zoomed in because I'm blind, but it's a really good mirror. Like the quality is really nice. This mirror is so cute. I just think it's a really cute collection. I love the whole idea. The PR box was such a good idea. Like I would totally do that again. I would buy that again. Because as someone who always buys the entire collection, this was just a fun way to like receive it. So shout out to Trixie Cosmetics for doing an amazing release. And if you guys want to see how I did this right here with all the stuff from the collection, then keep on watching. Okay, here we go. I'm so excited. I have my little mirror. So cute. It's the first time I'm taking it out of the packaging. I just also love that this company, like my name also starts with T, so everything just feels really personal. Of course, we'll be using this almost for every single thing today, so let's just get into it. I'm gonna try and do like a version of the look that Trixie actually wore for the campaign. So I won't be like doing Trixie Mattel makeup, but I want it to be like my version of it, I guess. But this is the look. Look at that queen. So lots of purples, which is why we have our sweatshirt on. We're ready to go. We are zoomed all the way in. We are ready to roll. So we're mainly going to be using the purples in here today. Okay, so I'm going to take the shade Purple Shampoo on this big fluffy brush. It's like pigmented, you guys. This is like a really light purple, so I don't know if you can see it with the lighting, but it's pigmented. But this collection, it's so funny. I've been like not getting my hair done for, I don't know, maybe like a few months now. It's been a minute, and I used to go like pretty frequently, and I was a lot lighter like from my roots and everything, and I just like, you know, on the unemployment grind, waiting for my job to come back. So I was just trying to like cut costs for things that like I could live without, and I was also starting to kind of like dig my natural hair color again. So I was like, well, I guess I just won't get my hair done for a while. And I have liked having my like natural hair color back, but it's so funny. This collection launched like literally the day like that I was like, oh, I'm gonna go back to blonde, and then like a few days later like they announced this and I was like, I guess I'm psychic. It just was meant to be. So I'm very excited. I'm getting my hair done tomorrow. If I have it finished editing, I will insert it here. Really excited. This collection is so cute. I love all the names of everything. It's just so clever. So I think we're good with the purple for now. I'm gonna build up the deeper shade, which is I got bangs, which is also really funny because I'm actually going to be getting curtain bangs like everybody else, but I just think everybody looks so freaking good. Look at this color, by the way. So good with the curtain bangs, and I think it's gonna be a fun. I've been like trying to get like, I don't know, like an adult, like my big girl, it sounds so stupid, like a more mature cut, I guess. I've just been doing like the same thing for so long, which is essentially just not cutting my hair. I hated cutting my hair. I like it long, but I'm starting to be more comfortable with, you know, my skin natural, and I'm just not needing to like hide behind hair as much, which sounds kind of silly, but I don't know. It was like something I definitely think I was doing. So I'm really excited just for a refreshing change, and I think I'm gonna go back to like my silver tone blonde also. Feels like me. So I'm gonna use a flat brush to pack that darker purple. I'm going to take the white shade Peroxide on my brow bone. And now I think I'm gonna press Polished, the shade Polished, with my finger on the inner corner. Okay, I'm pleased with this right now. Let's do the bottom. This is where it's gonna be more Trixie inspired. I'm gonna do a moment with like a white liner. Not quite the usual Trixie look, since I'm not doing like it this big, but I'm gonna use this white gel liner from Beauty Creations. And we're just gonna create a new lash line for ourselves. I'm gonna do the signature Trixie white line, and hers is like, well, you'll see, but I think I'm gonna go in like a little triangle. I'm nervous. Set it with the peroxide shade from the palette. Now Trixie brings the white up here, but her whole lid is liner, so I don't think I'm gonna do that, but I do want to kind of bring it up a little bit. Then we need to add the purple. Start with light purple. Okay, so I had to stop for reasons, but I just finished the white. I think this is all I'm gonna do, and I'm going to go do my black liner, lashes, and brows off camera, and then we'll come back and we'll do the rest of the face with the collection. Okay, so I'm like, it looks better on camera. I think I'm just being hard on myself, but I think I'm gonna make it work. I also think I'm gonna add purple above the white really quickly, just for more definition. Maybe that will help. Okay, yeah, I think I do really like that better. It makes it look a little less, I don't know. Let's add color into the face. We're gonna bronze with Kimchi Bronzer. Now, I watched the Trixie Cosmetics video that she did with James Mansfield to show like what they did for the shoot. And I know she used the shades in here for blush, so I'm gonna do the same thing. She did Miss Kim first. And then the shade Me Day is like hot pink. Use the Charlotte Tilbury highlights, a pink one. Now I guess we can do the lips. I'm actually gonna set my face with the Charlotte Tilbury spray first. So refreshing. We're gonna use high ponytail, which I always wear a high ponytail, so this is pretty cute. Oh yeah. I'm sorry, I'm so bad at doing my lips on camera. Okay, I'm gonna put my hair in a ponytail, I guess. I'm not really gonna change because I'm gonna keep this on, but I'm gonna be right back. And here is the final look, you guys. I just did my classic high pony. The collection's amazing. I, yet again, am blown away by the quality of the products they continue to push out. Glosses are pigmented, shadows are pigmented, and the freaking eyeshadow is blush. Now come on now.
She's an icon, she's a legend, and she is the moment. Now come on now.
10 out of 10. So it looks like you can buy everything from this collection still by itself. I'm on the website right now, except for these cute little scrunchies. It came in purple and there's a pink one too. I'm sure they'll bring these back. They were really cute, really good quality. It's like, I have thick hair. I can't wait. I'm getting it thinned out tomorrow. And it's keeping it up really nice and it doesn't give me a headache. And the PR box, like I said, is sold out, but that was a limited quantity. Oh, I lied. Some of the glosses are sold out. Hater's sold out. I'm Baby is sold out. But you can still get the one I'm wearing right now, high ponytail, and you can get the mirror. You can get this cute sweatshirt. It just has like the little logo on it. It's so comfy. You get the accessory pack and press on, which is the more like pinky nude lip gloss. And the eyeshadow palette's still available. There's still plenty of things for you guys to try if you wanted to. So get your hands on these products if you can. You will not be disappointed. Thank you guys so much for being here and subscribing to my channel. Go on, check out my Instagram and my Twitter. I post more makeup looks there throughout the week. Comment down below if you got anything from this collection or if now you're going to because you saw how amazing they are. I will be back next week with a new video as always. And that's all I got for today. I'll see you guys next week. Bye!